It's another day, and we are going to see the aquarium today. It was raining really bad, so we had to wait until like 2 o'clock, but we got the gang with us. And we're gonna go see the aquarium. Yeah, take care. Oh no, I don't want to meet Jeff. This is the bus stop that we're gonna be waiting at.
Does your blog know about Jeff?
My blog does not know about, or they don't. All right, Jeff.
Darren almost did something up, man.
I did not. What? Jeff is a man that lives over here. I'm not trying to dox Jeff, you know. I'll be nice. Jeff is gonna fight you if you see him. If you meet a man named Jeff, you run away. He's over here somewhere. Just run, okay? Anyways, this is the bus stop. This one takes you to the same place as the other one, to 23. So. So we made it to Yamete, yeah. We made it to the Seaside Park. I don't know what the name. It was the name Hitachi Seaside Park. Hitachi something Seaside Park. It's pretty cool. Looks nice. There's a giant blue thingy. I'll show you guys. Boom. Did you guys see? Nice. Okay. We're walking in now. Check it out. Got the ticket. Got the ticket. It's $4.50 per adult, which is like roughly, that's like $3, roughly $3. It's pretty cheap, super cheap. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when we go in. We're still waiting for everybody to buy their tickets. Man, my microphone's a little crooked now after all the beating has been through, but yeah, I'll let you guys know. We're going. I got in. Oh, my mic fell, bro. I swear. One day. Okay, we made it. Can you guys see me?
I want to go that way.
I also want to walk.
You want to go that way?
But I kind of want to eat food. Yeah. So we're here. What's up? No, that can't be cloud, bro. That has to be smoke.
Man, looks so much like a
I can't show you. You guys are not gonna see it. But... Did you guys see it? I don't know.
That looks like a cloud.
Oh, you know, yeah, we're in the park now. There's a bunch of stuff here, food stalls. Pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna walk around. I'll show you guys a few places. Might not talk a lot. We'll see.
Hell, that looks like
guys, this is amazing. This is like absolutely beautiful. Stecky. Hold up. Do you wanna? Yeah, I'll show you.
Have to walk past.
The camera doesn't do it justice. Oh, you guys are zoomed into me. Holy
no way, guys.
The camera doesn't do it justice, but it's so good. It's amazing. Oh, can you guys see me? Alright, I have been informed. We might not have time. So, we'll see.
Might be running a little low.
Yeah, time might be a little... might not have any, but... Hey, at least you guys get to see some pretty flowers there. You guys want to see?
Yeah.
Look at these flowers, bro. These, they smell like flowers, bro. They smell good, dude. What the heck? Dude, that's so cool. Hold up. This is so cool. What the heck, dude? I can't go all the way because there's people. I don't want to record them. Pretty cool. There's not much else to see here other than flowers. What does that mean? Oh, wait. It's gonna close. It's gonna move. We're out of time. It closes at 5. So it is like 4:30 something.
I heard a loud ass lightning strike.
Oh, it was a cow, dude. What? Oh my gosh, this is awkward. I don't like holding my camera like this. This is amazing. You guys should come here, check it out. It has really, really beautiful views. Right next to the ocean side. Oh, there's mud on the floor. It's really cool. Look, dude, this is just...
No idea where we're going.
Yeah, this path doesn't have any flowers, but these weeds look pretty cool. Oh man. I saw our buddies went down here, so we're gonna go down here. We saw them. Don't know where this goes. What is that over there? It's like a giant batting green. Yeah.
It's a golf place.
Oh yeah, you're right, huh? Yeah.
Oh, there's hella mud.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, this place is pretty cool. Well, I only came here for the little flowers and the giant red bush. Nothing else. I don't know the name of them, but they look cool. They look sick. Yeah. That's about it. I don't know. If anything cool shows up, I'll let you know. Alright, this place is closing. We gotta leave. Everybody's leaving. Yeah, this was a quick video of, I forgot what this was called, but Hitachi Seaside Park. It's beautiful. Yeah, so we didn't have much time here. We came here pretty late because it was raining really bad. I had to go repair my bike in the morning and that was horrible. Maybe I have a video of that up or something. Yeah, anyways, take care.